Introduction to Crossfade audio transitions. So we have 3 different crossfade audio transitions. I've placed all 3 down here in my audio track. Let's start with our constant power. This is the default audio transition. It really provides a smooth transition from one audio clip to another. This crossfade is useful when we want to blend 2 different audio tracks without really a noticeable drop in the middle between the 2. Next, we have a constant gain. A constant gain is the volume. So this is when we want to have it so that the 2 clips just barely dip in and dip back, or dip out and dip back in. Between the 2 clips. So it basically, and when we don't want much blending between the 2 different audios. Our last one is an experimental fade. This provides a really smooth fade in between clips. It uses a logarithmic curve to fade it out and fade it back up. And this is very useful at the end or start of a program. It's a one-sided one. At the end of the program, it will bring the volume all the way down. So let's take a little listen here, not so much a viewing, but let's listen to each one of these 3 scenarios. I'm going to go and play. So notice at the very end how the audio meter dropped all the way down. I'm going to come back here and just play that and watch over here. See how it dropped all the way down. And so when you are looking at these constant gains, constant powers, you want to look at your meter over here. And so, the constant power is the default one. And it's a nice blend in between two clips without a noticeable drop in the middle. The constant gain is trying to keep the 2 as a constant volume. And so I have extending these out a little longer than normal so you could see them and hear them a little better. But we'll learn how to, in the next video, how to place or apply these audio transitions to your timeline.